right, so this is a follow-up. For about 4 weeks, I have had the RB48s, the Retevis RB48s in my possession. It's a 4-pack. And there are two features that I have been trying to keep an eye out for. One is battery life, which was better than I expected. And one is the NOAA weather alerting, which is to be determined still. I'll let you know about this in just a minute. First off, hey, I'm KI4TQN. My name's Avery, and I'm here in East Tennessee. I test radios. I do a lot of things. It's a long story, but right now I'm testing these Retevis RT48s. I had got these for work, and I've been testing them for a bit. The battery life is really much better than I expected. The standby battery life is about 60 hours. I have rotated through the 4-pack just to kind of keep them fresh. I carry them with me to work. I have them sitting near my desk. I take them with me in the car when I go home. I leave them on overnight. I bring them when we come over here to work at a studio space we've got, office space we've got. And like I say, pretty consistently about 60 hours battery life. It will start talking to you when the voltage is low. And so if you hear a strange voice, when it's running down, this is it saying that your voltage is low, voltage is low, both voltage is low, something along those lines. And then it will eventually shut off on its own, of course, when it dies. But I was impressed with the 60-hour standby. I very rarely get traffic on this. We haven't actually implemented the use of them yet at work. And so I've had just a little bit of a crackle of static occasionally. And so I don't scan. I leave it locked to one channel there. But anyway, that's the status on the battery life. The NOAA weather alert. Oh, there's supposed to be a weekly test Wednesdays at noon. I have not picked that up yet on this. For that matter, I haven't picked it up yet on the Woshun KX935H that I'm carrying for that test as well. Reception on this at work is dismal for NOAA weather radio, which may be why I'm not catching it. Now, that much said, we have had some weather events in the area in the last week, but I have carried this for at least 2 weeks now with no capture of an alert. I'm going to keep going until I do. I may not catch it on film, but I will let you know about it. And also with the Woshun, we'll see if it will go off when it's supposed to. The only two radios that I've got right now that will do the alert, well, actually, I take that back. There is another radio I've got that should, but I don't have it on much right now. But I will test. I will let you know. I'm going to try and monitor when they do the weekly test and see if I can receive it over another radio. And I'll let you know. I'll let you know if this one is catching it, if it's just missing it, if we're out of signal range or what. Here soon, I should have a Wednesday that I'm going to be in a different location when they do their test. And we'll see. I'll let you know. The only other quibble I've got for this one is it's very unsteady on its base. I had just tried this video a minute ago and I set it down and it just fell flat on its back. It's not a very well-designed base for just standing on a surface. I guess there's just too much of a curve this way, too much of a curve that way. And it very easily does that when you just quickly set it down thinking you've set it. There we go. Anyway, that's one of my little quibbles with the design of it. Other than that, it is pretty rugged and sturdy. I like the feel of it. It's got some good heft to it. Certainly not a metal case or anything, but very good rubberized surroundings there. So you feel like you could drop it and the world's not going to end for it. Anyway, if you've got one of these and you've tested out the weather alert and it's working great for you, let me know in the comments, or the same for the Woshun, the 935H. Let me know if that one is working for you with the weather alerting. I am still trying to make sure I get one of these to work. If you have recommendations for one that just works, that's really solid for you, let me know about that too. Let me know the model and make of that. It's hard to find them in the sub $50 range that have this feature, and I think it's a very important feature. I know I've got a blister pack set of Motorola's from a long time ago that has it, and last I knew it was working well. I'll have to test that out again though and see if we're getting good enough reception for it in this area. Maybe that's the issue. In any case, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with your friends if you think they'd be interested. Take care.